What we've worked at is trying to identify proof of life since the last actual sighting in 2022. So I cannot comment specifically on whether Kyran reached his 7th or 8th birthday. It is an extraordinary incident. I've over 40 years now in the police, and I have not seen really the like of it. I cannot think of a similar set of circumstances. And in that way, like, there's just a particular element to this which is difficult to comprehend. But we have our work to do. This is a murder investigation, and you can be assured that we are pursuing it with full vigour and resources. The investigation carries on. I don't want to comment specifically then on what our next steps might be in terms of searches and what other investigative steps you want to take. But you can be assured it's fully resourced and it continues at pace. We've received, might I say, a lot of information from the public. Certainly since we went public last week, members of the community have come forward with important information, and we encourage anyone who might know anything of Kyran to come forward to us.